Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello and what's up guys? My name is Arif Haziq bin YUHANIS. Today I would like to present about clock replacement algorithm. First of all, I want to introduce my group members. First, Muhammad FARHI bin ZAKARIA. Second, Arif Haziq bin YUHANIS. And lastly, Muhammad ZIKRI bin RAZAK. So, basically, we need to know what is the clock replacement algorithm. Clock replacement algorithm is known as second chance algorithm, which is pages are constantly moving around on its list, so it is not working efficiently. Then, clock replacement algorithm is a better approach is to keep all the page frames on a circular list in the form of a clock. When a page fault occurs, the page being pointed to by the hand is inspected. In condition first, if its R bit is 0, the page is evicted. The new page is inserted into the clock in its place, and the hand is advanced one position. The other condition, if R is 1, it is clear and the hand is advanced to the next page. So this process is repeated until a page is found with R equal to 0. So let's continue with the example. Okay, we continue with the mechanism of clock replacement algorithm. There are given sequence number which are 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 5, and the frames given are 3. So the F1, F2, F3 represent to the frames, while the number of the top on the box represent the sequence number. The concept of clock replacement algorithm is FIFO, which is first in, first out. So let's start with the number 2. It will insert to the frame 1 due to the empty space. Then the number 3 insert to the frame 2 because there is also the empty space, and continue with the number 4 insert to the frame 3. Then the number 2 coming, but there is no empty space. So the number 2 is repetition like before. So the reference bit is equal to 1 due to the repetition of number. It is clear and the hand is advanced to the next page. Then the number 4 coming. So there is also same repetition number 4 like before. So the reference bit is equal to 1. So it is clear and the hand is advanced to the next page. This process is repeated until a page is found with R equal to 0. Okay, then we continue with number 6 coming. So the number 2 reference bit will be 0 because we know that number 2 first coming, which is first in, so the first in need to be the first out. But we know the frame 2, 3 reference bit equal to 0, so the page is evicted. So the new page, which is the number 6, will insert into the clock in its place, and the hand is advanced one position. Then we continue with the number 5 coming. So there's no empty space, but the number 2 reference bit before equal to 0. So the page is evicted. So the number 2 need to out. Then the number 5 will insert to the frame 1 due to replacement of the number 2 with reference bit equal to 0. So this process repeated, which is if a page is found with the reference bit equal to 0, so they need to out, and it will follow the first in first out condition. So I hope you guys can understand it. So if there is a problem or misunderstood, you can ask or contact us. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So thank you, and that's all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.